So let's start now. Hello, my name is Philippenko. I am CEO of FastReport Incorporated. And today I will tell you about printing monkey. The infinity monkey theorem states that a monkey hitting keys at random on a keyboard for an infinity amount of time will almost surely type a given text, such as the complete works of William Shakespeare. We in FastReport, unfortunately, have not enough time for this experiment. And you don't need William Shakespeare reprint. That's why we selected the most clever and fast and FireMonkey and teach it to create and print reports for the shortest time. Let's see, could FireMonkey to make with FastReport FMX help just now. As you know, FireMonkey allows you to create applications for Apple macOS X as well as for Windows. In my presentation, I will compare FastReport FMX possibilities with its VCL browser. Here you see the summary table. I want to take your attention to some positive and at the same time negative cells. I will describe it at the next slides. As you can know, FastReport VCL, it's a set of components. FastReport FMX also. There are three great parts: a reporting tool, scripting tool, and SQL builder tool. Moreover, reporting tool contains such big part as export filters. Not all from them are available in FMX. Later I will show you why and which are available. Let's see. FastReport FMX contains powerful visual report designer for end users. So you can give this visual developer environment for Apple operation system to your customers. Let's see its example from our demo, which available absolutely for free for downloading from our website. Yes, it's similar the Delphi object inspector, some component palette. Any object has own properties, data sources, which you can set. Also, you can set properties for objects, for text objects, pictures, and so on. And you can preview the result report and send it to printer or save in any format. All databases which provided with FireMonkey are supported now. Moreover, FastReport FMX provides full sources, so you can write your own wrapper for other database engine and use it. Important part of FastReport is a scripting engine which helps to create reports with complex logic, internal data processing, and so on. So you get not only reporting tool but also software development environment for both the operation systems. It's necessary to say also about such feature of FastReport as report dialogs. It's part of report, not of the application. So it makes reports absolutely application independent, and with FastScript it allows to make very interesting things for your customers. Let's come to my MacBook. and enjoy the report with dialog. It contains dialog page with traditional controls of Delphi, checkbox, and text edit components, text edit and checkbox controls, and simple text. I will add one more text object and to this object I will place text from our dialog. A very basic example of possibilities of reports with dialogs. I will place text from first control, edit control, and from the second one. Also set stretched property for our text object, and I don't know, maybe add some variable, some system variable, for example page number or total pages. As you see, it's our report. Firstly, we get dialog. I will write hello CodeRage 7 and some another text to another field. Then press OK. Two words about report objects. FastReport has a wide range of objects that can be used in a report. Text, picture, line, shapes, charts, barcodes, checkbox, gradient, and so on. Certainly, such objects as OLE and rich text weren't available as platform-oriented. And one more about objects. It has a rich set of objects for business graphic. For diagram, we are using T-chart by Schema. But remember, you cannot use directly report templates with charts from VCL at FMX, because Schema made chart component set for FMX with a different format. Let me show a little example of chart. It's also available in our demo. This report contains 3 pages, 3 templates with charts and with table. And let's see result. As you see, it's a report with country population. As I said before, we don't use some of platform-oriented possibilities of printing. That's why it's positive and negative features. FastReport is a band-oriented report generator. It has a wide range of band types, which allow to create many kinds of reports. But we have many requests from users about code-based reports. That's why now I want to show you how to make code-based report for FastReport FMX. We define variables, then clear report, add data page, add reporting page, create a unique name, set size of report, and set paper orientation. Then the main. Via add report title, set top and head properties of the band, and place to the band memo with unique name, set text hello FastReport, and set height of this memo, and also set stretch it. That's all. Will be enough run and show report. But let's try to make it in Delphi. Firstly, we need to create new desktop FMX project. Then let's see FastReport components available. I think we add new targeted platform. It will be OS X. Yes, alright. Place to our form one FastReport project only, TFAX report, and add to our form one button only. By this button will be creating report. Let's see, it's the same text from the previous slides, the same sources which create reports. So let's try to run it on the Windows. Press, yeah, it's our report, hello FastReport. But will it work on the Mac OS? Change default platform to Mac OS and run it one more time. As you see, it works absolutely identically with the MacBook. So we get prepared report. We can see it in preview window or send to printer. But preview window has the set of some comfortable features. Also, we can export prepared report. Not we can save in native XML. Also, we can write to set of different formats, and let me show example of native PDF export. Why the PDF isn't available for FMX. As you see, they aren't PDF export in this menu, but when we press export, when we press print, in the left of dialog window we see PDF, export to PDF, and this result of internal PDF export of macOS. Two words about converter. We tried to make report format of FastReport FMX maximum compatible with FastReport VCL. But anyway, you will need converter because VCL and FMX use various color models. And you will need to recreate your charts, as I said before. As you see now, you can create real business applications with advanced reports by FireMonkey and with FastReport help. It's very smart monkey which can print, for example, accounting reports or some other report. Thank you for your attention. I will be glad to answer your questions.
Will there be any way to import reports from Crystal reports?
About Crystal reports.
Yeah.
We work on it, but I think it will be available at the end of this year. And anyway, remember, it will converter of visual forms only.
Okay. Not the code. Gotcha. Is there a property that allows for triggering the view of a row and column lines within a report grid?
Oh, pardon?
It was, is there a property that allows triggering the view of row and column lines within a report grid? Maybe they want lines themselves, lining? It's from a manual. I don't know. Maybe Emmanuel, you can ask another way. Not sure what the row and column lines. Obviously, you can create rows and columns if you want some kind of underlining. Let's go on to... Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, it's possible, and it's available in our demo. If I correctly understand your question, because time to time I have lags and some problem with internet.
Okay. Let's see. Todd is asking. He's got some reports he's built in VCL. Can they be used in the FireMonkey version?
Yes, absolutely. But as I said in the one of the latest in the one of the last slides, you will need converter for color model. As you know, VCL and FMX have various color models. RGB and GRB, if I absolutely correct. That's why you will need converter.
Yep.
But you can run the same report under the FMX.
Okay. Todd also asked, he wasn't sure about maybe something you said about Schema, T-Chart are not cross-platform, but we do have T-Chart Lite for FireMonkey, but maybe I misunderstood something too. It related to Schema software's charts.
We are using Schema T-Chart for FireMonkey, and it for using these charts, you will need recreate chart objects in your report because it's not compatible with VCL one.
Got it. Okay, so if you're taking a VCL report that has T-chart in it. You need to recreate the chart, the FireMonkey T-chart object in your FireMonkey report designs. Okay. FastReport looks fantastic. I am thinking of converting from QR design, end user designer for quick report, to FastReport, but I'm worried that going from FastReport to FireMonkey FastReport might be a downgrade. Should I wait and convert my project to FireMonkey first? At least 100 DLLs, it won't be a small job. Well, he can leave parts of his application in DLLs. That's great. DLLs are DLLs, right? And then you have a quick report converter. So, right?
FastReport for FireMonkey and FastReport Resale Enterprise. It's two different products with different targets. FireMonkey, it's first of all, it's the desktop project, desktop cross-platform project, different of enterprise version for FastReport Resale in web components and web reporting. For client server web reporting, you can continue to use FastReport Enterprise. For your cross-platform project, you can use FireMonkey. You can use FastReport FMX. So you need to solve what the part of your project will be cross-platform and which one will used as a web for web reporting.
Okay. Let's see. Is there an option for exporting to PDF on Windows?
I saw this question, and we will add our PDF export, our own PDF export to Windows version of FastReport FMX, because it's really, I think, good question. How to use PDF export in Windows.
Is that available today, or that's something you're working on?
Yeah.
It's something you're working on?
It will be available very soon.
Okay. Okay. Are there any plans for a report builder to FastReport converter?
As I remember, we have one, this one, but I'm not sure about version.
Okay. Has a converter. Oh, not sure about version of report builder.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, people can check the website. What about Rave report converter?
We have Rave report converter. In our previous conference with Embarcadero, I have shown it, and you can see in my blog on FastReport website example how to use a converter from Rave report, but because it's a very different product with different architecture, you will get only the same form of template, same template form, but you will need to connect to database and add some logic to your converted report. And certainly you won't convert code-based report.
Got it. Okay, out of the FastReport blog and site. Yep. Okay, if I could type over here. All right. Good. Let's see. Can I use FastReport to generate docx documents directly in Engine, not through print view, to send to as files to clients?
Yes.
Okay. And Excel and all sorts of things.
Now we have some minimum set of export filter, but from day to day, we add new export filters. Last month we have added 2 additional export to FastReport FMX. Our customers can see it. Customers of FastReport FMX can see it in customer panel in daily build partition. But I think the first we will give RTF filter export.
Okay.
Filter export to RTF, not to the Microsoft Office, and also OpenOffice as the open format.
For MS Office and OpenOffice instead of whatever docx and so on.
Yeah. Yes.
TF. Yep.
Docx, it's XML format, and I think we will. It will be available also soon. In this year, I think. Not today, not this week, but this year.
Okay. Let's see. Is the XE3 provided product, is it restricted anyway? I'm not sure if Walter's talking about the versions that are the version of FastReport that's included in that's included as part of XE3 versus available from FastReport.
It's an excellent question. I waited, and FastReport FMX Embarcadero edition with not all of possibilities, but I think with good set of possibilities with visual report designer for software developers will be available, and I can say I'm absolutely sure it will be available in upgrade pack 1 of XES3. Also, I think it will be available a little bit early from customer area in Embarcadero developer network for downloading and setup.
Yeah,
I don't know yet. You can check. Maybe it's available this time.
Yeah, we'll let everybody know. Let's see. Here's a question from Juan Carlos. He wants to know if you're considering developing a FastCube version that will work with FireMonkey.
I cannot say yet about FastCube for FireMonkey because team which works on FastCube now prepare second version of FastCube VCL, but after release of second version of FastCube VCL, we will mind on it.
Okay. Okay. David, properly. There we go. Okay. Sandro's asking a question, will there be reporting for mobile apps? And for me, if I've got a mobile app, I might want to talk to a server side or something that would generate a report. Or maybe I guess you would want a report that if you had an iPad or some big tablet that you could have a report appear on your screen. But I think, Sandro, that question's going to have to wait in some ways until we finish all the mobile development stuff in Delphi and C++, right?
Yes, you're absolutely right. And for design, for report design, PC or Mac, it's a better choice, still better choice. But for preview, and for example, prepare reporting, some dialogs with report, yes, it's possible to work from your tabs from mobile devices, but I think it will be better to get it via intranet by these possibilities of report generators of your developers.
Yeah. Well, I guess Albert is asking about RTF. Will it be possible to show RTF inside of a report someday? Well, we also have to have RTF support for FireMonkey itself, right?
About RTF, it's a two-part of question. First, about RTF components. We have first testimonial on our website about RTF. Yes, it's not available yet on FMX and on FastReport for FMX, but in FastReport you can use HTML tags for some bold text, underlining, and so on. And the second part of question about RTF export, and yes, it will be available soon.
Yep. And Sandra's going, yeah, he wants it on tablets. He wants to be able to generate a report and send it to a tablet so you can see it. And reporting from a mobile device interacting with it. So more to be done there, Sandro. Robert has a question. Let's see. It's a long statement and I guess a question. We have an we have an existing VCL-based application that exports reports to PDF using FastReport 4. We would dearly love to update the app by converting to FireMonkey, but the application needs to generate reports as PDF in the background without requiring user to interact with any OS print dialog. Will FMX have built-in PDF export capability for Windows soon? And you mentioned that, right?
Yep. Because on Windows there aren't internal PDF export. We will add our own PDF export on the Windows one of the Windows version of FastReport FMX.
Yep. Okay, if you have any other questions, we have a little bit of time with Michael. I'm going to, again, defer some of the mobile questions, Sandro, to Mobile Studio futures. Any plan to interact with some kind of gauges and manipulate data inside a report? I guess there's gauges from like TMS software and other things that you can put, but maybe you have some ideas there.
I should find this question. TMS green data snap that we will be glad to contact with TMS about this product and maybe people from TMS and my colleagues will have some ideas how to work with it.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So I think those are all the questions, unless again somebody, some of the questions still in the open queue have to do with data snap. I'll get to those, and jQuery and things of that kind, jQuery mobile. So I'll get to those last couple of sort of past. Let's see, what difference? Okay, Giovanni. I guess he's asking about the difference between VCL and FireMonkey. I don't know if you're asking about the difference between VCL and FireMonkey applications or VCL and FireMonkey reporting. I mean, if it's a more general question about the difference between Win32 VCL and FireMonkey applications, then I can take care of that. Don't worry.
It's. I think it question maybe not for me.
Yeah.
Because FireMonkey allows to create application for Win32 as well as for macOS.
Yep.
And you have seen it in my presentation.
Yep.
It's really FastReport FMX fully written on FireMonkey.
Yep. Peter's asking, what about FastReport version 5? I guess he's talking about the VCL. Or FastReport version 5 in general.
I can say very soon, from day to day, we will release FastReport 4.13, and after that, with not so long lag, we will publish demo preview of FastReport 5.
Let's see, Maya says, FastReporter on the ball. I've been checking out your website and loving all the features I see there. Can't wait to start using it. So that's cool. Okay. Michael, thank you very much. And we are ecstatic, as all our customers are, on having cross-platform reporting now with FastReport and FireMonkey. It's great job. Tell your team thank you very much, and they're doing a great job.
Thank you for your attention, and I will be glad to answer your question. If you remember something a little bit later, you can write me by email, for example.
Excellent. Great. Thanks, Michael.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, David.